Good morning, first graders. We are going to start our math test by writing our name on the top of our paper. Remember, it's really important that you double check that your name is on there so that way you don't have to redo it. So go ahead and write your name. And then remember, this is a video, so if you need more time, just pause the video and then press play when you're ready to go. Okay, we are going to start here in this first part of our page. And I'm going to show you a clock, and then your job is to write the time on the line. Okay, notice there's two lines because you're going to tell me the hour and the minutes. Okay, so we're going to start with number 1. So here is the clock for number 1. What time is it? The red is the hour hand, the blue is the minute hand. Again, if you need more time, pause it. Otherwise, I'm going to go on to number 2. Here is number 2. The red is the hour hand and the blue is the minute hand at the 3. Okay, let's go down to number 3. Here is number 3. Okay, number 4. Hour hand is past the 11 and minute hand is at the 9. If you need to go back because I went too fast, pause it or rewind it to check your work. Okay, I'm going to go on to number 5. Here is number 5. Here is number 6. Okay, let's go down to number 7. Here's number 7. Okay, here is number 8. And our last one is number 9. Here is number 9. Okay, so if you need to pause it and rewind it to go back to check 1 through 9, now is your time to do so. So you should have this whole part filled out. If not, pause it, rewind it, and check on 1 through 9. Okay, we're going to move on to the next part where we see our base 10 blocks. On numbers 10 and 11, your first job is to write the number that you see. Can you write it right here on this line? Then it's very important that you circle the number in the tens place. Okay, I'm going to say that again. Circle the number in the tens place. Pause it if you need more time. Okay, we're going to move on. Here is 12 and 13. Write the number on the line. And then it says circle the number in the ones place. So don't move on until you circle the number in the ones place. Okay, pause it if you need more time. Otherwise, we're going to keep going. Here we have a name collection box. You need to write 5 names for the number 12. Remember, some ideas are tally marks, coins, base 10 blocks, pictures, dominoes, number sentences. You need 5 different names for the number 12. Pause it here so that you can write those names. All right, we're going to move on. So we are flipping our paper and we're flipping to the back side, and it should look like this. We can see another name collection box. It says page 2. This time we have to label the box. So look at our numbers here. Look at our number sentences. What could the box be named? And then you're going to put that name or number right here in the top. Then you need to add 3 more names. So right here in this space, you need to add 3 more. What other ways can I show this number? I need 3 more. Okay, pause it here if you need time to work. All right, I'm going to keep going. So here we have some alligator mouths and we have some money. We need to count each side of our coins here. And we need to decide, is this side greater or is this side greater? Or are they equal? Same with here and same with the last one. What could that alligator mouth be? Pause it here if you need more time. Okay, number 26. I'm going to change this one. This one tells show 140 on the clock. This one, I want you to show 145. 145. We have not learned how to do 140. Do 145. Okay, pause it if you need more time. Otherwise, let's move on. Okay, we're going to move on to numbers 27 and 28. You are going to need a black ruler. We're going to use the centimeter side. The centimeter side is the side with the little tick marks that goes all the way up to 30. You're going to measure this line and put your answer, and then measure this line and then put your answer. Pause it if you need more time. Okay, we're moving on. This time you need to write the sum and turnaround fact. So first, start by writing what is 2 plus 6? What is 15 plus 0? What is 7 plus 1? Then there's this little arrow because it's telling you, can you write the turnaround fact? Write the turnaround fact in this number sentence here. Your answer will be the same. Pause it if you need more time. Okay, then you are going to flip it like a pancake, and our last page is this back side here, page 3. You have a domino. You need to write the fact family. Remember, this side of your domino is one number. This side of your domino is another number. And then you need to add them all together. So pause it here to make those number sentences. Okay, we're almost done, first graders. You guys are doing awesome. We are going to go ahead and count our money. We've got some coins that we just learned, and then we know what these coins are. So I need you to tell me how much money is that? How many cents? Okay. All right. I do not need you to do the one with the dollar sign. You can cross that one out. Okay. I can even make an X there to remind you that we are not going to do that one. So while you're counting your coins, I will make an X here. All right, don't need to do that one. Okay. So pause it if you need more time to count your coins. Otherwise, we're going to move on to our number stories. Okay, so here's our first number story. Riley rides his bike 7 blocks to his grandmother's house. If he rides 2 more blocks, he will be at his friend's house. How many blocks does Riley need to ride to reach his friend's house? pause it, rewind it if you need to hear that again, but you need to write your number sentence. Then our last one says, Brielle collected 13 rocks for her rock collection. She lost 4 of her rocks on the way home. How many rocks does Brielle have now? Write your number sentence and your answer. Okay, if you need to pause or rewind and go back because you missed something, go ahead and do that now. Otherwise, go ahead and flip your packet to your first page where your name is on the top. You have finished the test. Good job. Now your job is to turn it into the white bin, and you need to either make an iPad choice or number scroll. All right, good job, first graders. Thank you.